all seasons.
He's been there for every chemo treatment. When I'm sick, when I'm throwing up at night, he's there with me. I mean, I can't even imagine what it would be like without him.
After a day of chemotherapy treatment, Marian Shaban makes another desperate plea to the INS. The Long Beach woman is battling lung cancer and a government trying to deport her husband back to South Africa.
If they take him, I get $750 a month disability. That's all I have to live on. My health insurance is $850 a month, so that won't even pay my health insurance. So basically, if he leaves the country, I am literally out on the street. I have nowhere to go. I have no family other than my 2 kids.
I would like to put all our resources into fighting the cancer, and every time we feel like we're getting something with the cancer, we get a letter either from the INS or we just caught up in this wheels of justice, the wheels of bureaucracy. We want to just fight the cancer.
With their attorney by their sides, the Shabans say they have been fighting the INS for years and blame a maze of bureaucratic red tape for the agency's failure to grant Louis Shaban a green card.
He did nothing untoward. We have a government that is looking for terrorists internationally, and yet they're going after the Shaban family in Long Island. It's unconscionable to me. We know the government can reopen the proceeding, and we implore upon them to do it today.
In a statement to News 12 Long Island, Senator Charles Schumer, who supports the Shabans, said, "This is a tragedy in the making. Living with lung cancer is difficult enough. We're going to keep fighting for the Shabans until Louis Shaban is allowed to remain here with his wife, where he belongs." In January, Shaban was granted a 1-year stay of deportation by the INS, but if and when he leaves, he won't be allowed back in the country for another 10 years, unless the INS waives that restriction. In Manhattan, Diane McInerney, News 12, Long Island.
The INS tells News 12 Long Island it can't discuss a specific case because of privacy.